Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody needs to make a freehand line and then make a second one equal. It's a little difficult, but it's pretty easy. If we grab the freehand, I'm going to try to mimic his line, and then I changed it. So that's good enough. If you make a duplicate of this and move it down, it's not equal. And you could play with it, thinking, well, I need to move it. Let's change our nudge factor to something really low, 0.1. And if you move it to the right, you know, you might get it equal, but it's still larger there. So my suggestion, and I think it worked pretty good, go and make that line. We're so big, I'm going to make it like 200 points. Well, and look right there. There's a bad uh, node. You need to have good nodes, and you could still change it up a little bit from here. Give it a little bit more. So now we got that thick line. Let's go to Object, convert the outline to an object, and left click, right click, get your shape tool, and just pick these two nodes and right click and break it apart. Then you can take your virtual segment delete key and look what I'm doing. Do the same thing the other end. You've got to remember to right click, break apart, take the virtual segment delete key, and I can almost guarantee that this will be perfect. So we'll get the parallel dimension tool and we'll go right there to right there, and we're 0.66, 0.66, 0.66, 0.6. Whoa, that actually says 0.69. You know what, if you don't go directly across, you're going to get a longer line. So let's go directly across. See how I'm changing it? So it's not perfect. I'm sorry to say that, but it's closer than you could get it by, and we're talking 1/100th of an inch. So we're a little bit more down there. I wonder what, I wonder if that's because when I change that node, let's do it again. By changing that node, I might have changed it. Freehand tool. Try to do a better one this, well, that's terrible. And if you notice, I've got my setting on 100%. Now, before I change it, I'm going to make sure that node is pretty flat. This one normally is. So now let's go and make it 250 points. Yeah, see, we're a little bit crooked right there. Let's go back. And let's just, to make it perfect, we're going to make that line kind of go up a little bit. So that node's kind of more in line. 250 points. And we could do it by inches and be dead on what size we want it. So I'm going to break those two nodes apart, right clicking, break apart, virtual segment delete key. And I don't have to do this to show you or attempt to show you, since I was wrong last time. I'm going to hold down the shift key and grab both those and then right click, break apart. Let's try it one more time. Point 0.83, 0.83, point. Well, that is a little irritating. Oh, that I know is because it's at an angle. And whenever you're measuring that, angle, it's hard to, you know what? It's thicker there. That is interesting. I don't know why that would be. You know what? Let's try this one more time. And if you're bored, just stop watching. Let's take the 2-point line this time, or freehand tool, and let's make the curve not so much. I really want to prove my theory. But this time, let's change our, let's go to F12, change the graphic 2 inches for a second. This will at least make the video worth it. And then change this to 1/2 inch. Boy, that's not going to do anything. We're so big. Well, let's just go with it. 1/2 inch. Object, convert it, left click, right click. I know it's not going to make any difference in the outcome of the measurement, but at least we'll know that we're 1/2 inch. And I don't have to break that other one apart to prove this, if I can prove it. But it's still better than you do by hand. Look at that, 0.50. Come on. 0.50, come on. 0.50. One more and we'll call it a night. I love it when it works out. We got a little bit of a jig right there. 0.50. So that line is 1/2 inch apart. So there's at least you learn how to change your measurement to inches. Well, we already had them in inches, but make your line so far. Anyway, I hope that gave him an idea, because you could do it, and you could also contour that line if you had 2 lines and you needed to do more. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.